Alright, have you ever had this problem where your socket is stuck on your bolt and you can't get it off? Well, I have the solution. Actually, yeah, I do have a solution. So, alright, I had to get I had to order a spring for my washer since it was going nuts. But I rigged up this really neat, here. This little device I rigged up here. So, let's get you a punch like this, little punch, and you want to hit it on top of the hammer. You want to hit a hammer on top of it. The center. Let me try to get this flashlight. I got a little flashlight here. Let me get a better flashlight for you guys, since you want to interact. There, see the where the bolt is down in there? That's where you want to put the punch. See, let me set that down in there and try to one-handed here. Oh, okay. I have the camera set up, and this is a lot of fun. It really is. My voice might not sound like it's fun, but I'm having a blast. So you're just going ahead. I'm gonna do this on the floor. So I think you can. Oh, oh, oh. Alright, as you can see, I got it out. That's how you get a bolt out of a socket. And have a hard surface or whatever. Didn't even damage the ground. So I use this. This is actually from the TV. Here's the. So if you're like me, you don't want to put a TV up on the wall. See where the punch is? You want to get the punch right in the middle. You want to get the punch to where it's punching the It's getting the it's punching the the bolt. And get a hammer. Any type of hard device will do, and you're going to want to hit it. I'm gonna have to hold it with two hands here, so I'm gonna have to set the camera down. Oh, absurdity. Do 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 do. Absurdity. Taking this fastener, taking this bolt out of the nut. The absurdity of using two socket wrenches to do the job.